Alright, so where's the make it go? Alright, I'm riding Jess's bike. Woo! Ah! Dude, that thing is quick. You're just like, rah, and it just, torque monster. Oh my Lord. That was a huge bump. My whole bike just jumped. It's always a little sketchy riding at night with a bunch of bikes. You never know when someone's gonna take off or do something sketchy. Chopper bro! Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God! Did you see that? Blaine just did the scariest, gnarliest wheelie I've ever seen. He was straight vertical. He was straight 12 o'clock, and he was fishtailing. Oh my God, that was nuts. I thought he was gonna lose it, but he saved it. Props to you, Blaine. Good save. It looked pretty gnarly.
Welcome to Jess's YouTube. Jess go.
Welcome to Jess's world.
Welcome to Taco Time.
Yeah.
Introducing Blaine.
Use that.
There, Blaine.